He acts kind of very weird. Why he's hovering over our houses.
Maricopa County Sheriff's Office, may I help you?
What can we do? We have a gentleman or a neighbor on our street. He's been flying literally over our houses, in our backyard, just kind of too low. What is our right? Or do we have any? Many of the neighbors are quite upset. I have tried to approach him, find out what exactly he is actually doing with this drone. It is taking video footage. Very belligerent, very rude. We have children. He acts kind of very weird. Why he's hovering over our houses, looking in our backyards and stuff, is quite disturbing to most of us. We don't want to try to start a neighborhood war. We don't want to make a big deal. At the same time, we're feeling very uneasy about this. Really just don't want him over our houses. And I'm looking up all of the rules and regulations. You have to have a drone in sight at all times. He doesn't have a spotter. Well, there's no way he can see this drone, and he's taking video. You know, he's got a camera. Just had another neighbor come to my house and ask me what they could do, and they have small children out by a pool. And bye-bye.